Didn't take long for Georgia police to start going after these bikers, since they were on dirt bikes. A disclaimer is necessary. Do not run from cops. It will get you in bigger trouble than you already are. Running from the cops only makes things worse. What could have been a small issue can quickly turn into something serious. Do not do it. While traffic was almost at standstill, this biker used the opportunity to filter through. But since this was recorded in New York, where lane filtering is illegal, he ended up getting a ticket.
You guys are never gonna learn. Over here. You're never gonna learn. Over there. Off your motorcycle, take your helmet off, get me the proper paperwork for your motorcycle, license, registration. Black motorcycle, no plates, Hey, I'm Deputy Bowman with the Sheriff Department. The reason for the stop is for your speed. So this is a citation, okay? This is the speed I had you going at right here at 65. Scotch fast. Yeah, it's probably a quick bike, but you can't go that fast.
This biker said that he plans to fight this ticket in court, believing the radar picked up a car on the left which was going faster than him. Unfortunately, everything was recorded on camera. This biker found out instantly that lifting the front wheel on the street is a bad idea, especially when someone is watching.
Snutthål. Hej. Vad sa du?
Så får du inte köra?
Nej.
Fattar du väl? Ha?
Nej.
Ska du bli av med ditt körkort eller?
Nej tack.
Vill du bli av med det?
Nej.
Gå på en sekund. En sekund.
Ja, jag vet.
Men tyvärr har jag lite viktigare saker att göra just nu.
Ja,
Åk in i det, okej?
Okay?
Stilla där.
Jajamän.
Du har inga straff på dig sedan innan du?
Nej, jag tror inte det va?
Nej. Var är de körkortet är?
Förlåt. Alltså jag är så jävla dum i huvudet så det är helt jävla sjukt. Alltså jag är bara glad att jag filmar det här, men vad rädd jag blev.
In the end, this biker admitted his actions were not so smart and said that he was glad to walk away without a ticket or losing his license. Sometimes a nice advice and a friendly approach does more than an expensive ticket, especially when it actually makes someone think.
How are you?
My name's Defense. This is my job recording, okay? You know why I'm talking to you? Popping the wheelie. I know you want to have fun. Calm down, right?
Yeah.
What I don't want is to get a call on you. Be careful coming in here.
No, I totally get it, man.
Popping the wheelie, okay? You have a loud bike. It was very easy.
The exhaust fell off on that.
Oh, okay. Keep it calm while you're here.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for being
Thank you very much,
cooperative, alright? Alright, have a good
Just as this biker was enjoying the ride a bit too much, a cop showed up right behind him. The moment the officer saw what was going on, the lights came on.
Why? What's up, officer?
What's the deal with you going in and out of the cones there?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There's no excuse. I just saw an opportunity and did it. Yeah. You mind if I take my helmet off? What's that?
I said, yeah, you're good.
Okay. I have earplugs in, so I can't really hear.
You know, honestly, I'm surprised this thing has a plate on it. I didn't see a plate either.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah, that I got up there on you. Is this a dirt bike that you made street legal?
Yeah. Well, this one actually came straight legal from the factory.
Oh.
But it is a dirt bike technically.
Do you have your
Yeah.
motorcycle's license with you?
Yeah, I do.
So if you need to step off, you can. Better, please. I don't want to see you falling out because I don't know if you realize it or not, but they've been breaking up the concrete, so there's dust all over the road right there where those barrels are. And you going in and out like that, you lean too much one way, and
yeah, I did too.
tires out.
My visor's also tinted, so I can't really tell.
No, yeah, you're fine. Like I said, the number one thing I was coming for was because I didn't see a plate, and then I saw you do the whole weaving in and out of that thing.
Yeah.
But just do better, dude. You're lucky. It's like, you know, when you take a turn and there's rocks everywhere. Yeah, it's same concept. When you got, it's gonna slide out from underneath you, and then you're gonna get road rash and all that. And we don't want that. You're gonna wreck the bike and scratch it all up. All right, but you're good to go. Okay.
Thank you, man. I appreciate
yes, sir.
This biker also found himself in a situation that may end up in court, as he believes the ticket was not justified. Let's take a look.
Alright, go ahead and bend that back out so it's visible from 50 feet like it's supposed to be. You're not going to bed? Yeah. Besides it.
Would you have to get it towed if I like rode it back myself? If I like rode this back home, came back and rode this so you wouldn't have to get it towed?
Are you trying to be funny or you're asking?
No, I'm not. I'm being like actually serious. I want to try to get my friend out of the towing if that's possible.
Alright, Mr. West.
That's me.
Here's that for you. Alright,
What's the damage?
your citation's for license plates obstructed, alright?
Okay,
you don't have to
on private property. I'm not going to argue or anything. I'm just saying this for the sake of my video. Even though I'm on private property.
What'd you do, follow this guy and get here?
So no, I flip it up when I'm in a parking lot because I do content creation.
Right.
I don't like when people like see my plate all that much. So I flip it up so it's like facing, not even just down, but like the other way.
Okay.
Take it here. I'm gonna.
You can argue in court, right?
Yeah, exactly. You're just doing your job. So.
Yep.
How's it going?
Good. Getting cold out there for that?
Hands are a little chilly, but how's your day going, officer?
It's going.
Yeah? Oh, sorry, I don't need to touch your car. Do you guys do like a routine thing through here?
Sometimes, yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say, I see you guys come.
We try to come through it.
Heck yeah. The hands get a little cold when the sun's out, but other than that, dude, it feels great.
Good.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, appreciate
Watch
it.
out for that sporadic patch of ice.
The ice and then the rocks are the biggest thing for us, but
Yeah, I bet.
yeah.
Okay, guys, enjoy your day.
You have a great rest of your night. Thank you.
Right there, that's the car. Wait, there's some like security people or something. Can I help you guys?
Yeah, so you're gonna be getting cited today because it's improper parking. We cannot park like this.
Even with a trailer?
Yeah, no. There's other areas where you need to park, at least not here, because you're taking up space for the vehicles. Are you a Questa student or are you not from here?
No, I'm from Utah. We're doing the whole Pacific Coast Highway. I towed my bike out here, so I was just looking for a place to park. I didn't mean to inconvenience you guys. I'll load up and get out of here, but
I mean, you will be getting cited, but if you want, you could appeal. If you're not content with that, there is administrative hearing. If you're not content with that, then you go a step further and do a third party.
I don't think I'm going to be making it there. It could
so
be
how
worse.
many cities you've gone to this far then?
We came from north of San Francisco.
Oh,
so.
okay.
Is it just like a ticket or something I can pay online? Is that how it works?
Yes.
Okay, cool. You guys need anything else from me?
No, that would be it.
All right.
All right.
Take care. Thank you.
Safe travels.
Yeah, thank you. Well, boys, we got a ticket literally right when I came back. That's gonna make good content. That's unfortunate, but it's the reality. Luckily, it's only $34, so I'm not too worried about it.
After getting several complaints about the bikers speeding and making too much noise, the officer stepped in and stopped them before things got worse.
Did get some complaints on you guys on the causeway saying you were speeding. I didn't see it, so I'm not ticketing anyone right now, but okay, let's make it speeding. We'll keep it quiet. We'll down that way though. Alright, yeah. Yo!
They said they got a couple complaints about speeding on the causeway due to the standstill traffic.
And you're obstructing it as well. So technically this is illegal and that's illegal. Alright? I'm going to let you off with a warning.
Do not leave yet. Click here to watch the previous episode right now. It might be crazier than this one. Smash like, share your opinion below, and I'll meet you there.